Saint Agostino Rosoli. Saint Agostino Rosoli was a remarkable figure in Catholicism, renowned for his dedication to serving others, particularly the youth and the poor. Born on 27 July 1818, in Italy, he grew up amidst a backdrop of social and economic challenges. His family struggled financially, but they were rich in faith and instilled in him a deep sense of compassion and devotion to God. From a young age, Agostino felt a calling to the priesthood. He pursued his studies with determination, despite facing numerous obstacles. In 1841, he was ordained as a priest and began his ministry in the Diocese of Mantua. It was here that he first encountered the plight of disadvantaged youth, many of whom were orphaned or abandoned. Moved by their suffering, Agostino devoted himself to improving their lives. He founded the Institute of Sisters of the Immaculata to provide education and care for young girls, offering them a chance for a better future. His tireless efforts to uplift the marginalized earned him widespread admiration and respect. Agostino's work extended beyond the confines of his community. He actively participated in social reform movements, advocating for the rights and dignity of all individuals, regardless of their background or circumstances. His outspokenness often brought him into conflict with authorities, but he remained steadfast in his commitment to justice and equality. In 1878, Agostino founded the Sisters of the Immaculate Conception, a religious congregation dedicated to serving the poor and the sick. Through their work, they established schools, orphanages, and hospitals, providing essential services to those in need. Agostino's vision inspired others to join him in his mission, and the congregation quickly grew in numbers and influence. Despite his advancing age, Agostino continued to work tirelessly for the betterment of society. He traveled extensively, spreading the message of love and compassion wherever he went. His humility and selflessness endeared him to all who met him, and he became known as a saintly figure, revered for his holiness and wisdom. Agostino's legacy continues to inspire people around the world to this day. His life serves as a shining example of the transformative power of faith and the profound impact that one individual can have on the world. In 1902, he was canonized as a saint by Pope Leo XIII, recognizing his extraordinary contributions to the Church and society. Saint Agostino Rosoli remains a beacon of hope and inspiration for generations to come.